Today we're talking to Dan Sprague, who is our Chief Technology Officer here at Patches Health. So Dan, you're actually one of the founders as well of Patches Health. So can you maybe tell us a bit more about the story behind how the company came into being?
Sure, yeah. So Marcus and I started the company during our PhDs, where we were both interested in applying AI and machine learning to the real world. We first got started doing consulting and worked across pretty much any industry you could think of, really, just a whole host of different projects. But we started to really focus down on healthcare, which is an area that we were both particularly passionate about. And while we were doing that, we met our chief medical officer, Ben, who came up with the idea of Patches. Patches, it was started out as an Innovate UK project, but we've now grown it into one of the biggest online consultation tools in the UK. The biggest achievement so far, I feel like, was that winning our first big region for Patches. It was such a great feeling. It really showed that we'd built a great product that people found useful. But I think, to me, it's also the kind of the smaller things, like when family and friends say that their GP practice has started using Patches, and that they like it. It kind of brings it down to that personal level. So you really, you know that you're helping specific people, and you, just get to see that in real life. Yeah, so as CTO, I look after the technology and the AI parts of the business. So part of my day is working on business strategy with Marcus and the rest of the board, planning out what we need to do in the medium and the long term to keep Patches going strong. I also manage a really great team of developers. So part of my day is just kind of making sure that they're happy and they're supported. They've got all the tools they need to be productive. And when I have time, I also get to play around with tools and technologies that we use on any new features that we're developing, and do proof of concepts and that kind of thing. I think our biggest strength as a team is that we're all in it together. Everyone's really friendly. They're happy to help each other out. One of the main values we have at Patches Health is teamwork, and I'd say it's something that our team is particularly good at. We like to make sure that everyone's views are heard, everyone can have a say. That's good for the team, but it's also good for the company as a whole, because it really encourages innovation and that kind of thing. So yeah, I think that's the biggest sort of strength. I think I like most about the team. We've got some great new projects in the pipeline. We're really excited about the new AI Care Navigator that we're working on. It's going to help patients get the help they need quicker while reducing the burden on GP practices. So yeah, more on that to come. The sort of qualities that we're looking for, Patches Health, I've mentioned earlier, being a good team player. That's a key value for the company. We also like to see initiative. If you see something that you think could be done better, let the rest of the team know, take it to your manager. We love to see that, because that's how we kind of drive forward. And I think we also, being passionate about healthcare is key as well. Well, I think we're united by our desire to build products which help people. So, if you can get behind that as a mission, then you'll fit in really well.